When learning the code, the number one thing you can do to slow down your progress more than anything else is switching your tools too frequently. Every week, it's a new framework, it's a new tutorial, then it's a new course, and that means it's a new tech stack. Here's the challenge. When you learn 10% or a small percentage of everything, you don't become a master at anything. It's kind of hard to build with confidence when your brain resets every 2 or 3 days. That constant switching from one language, one course to another comes with a switching tax. Every time you jump to a new tool, your brain has to rebuild all of the mental models that you were just forming. More tenured developers don't do this. They find a stack that they're comfortable with, they stick with it, they master it, they learn the ins and outs. And once they run into limitations, then and only then they may consider switching. As you're on your journey and you're developing, building projects, you'll start to realize that you don't need 15 different tech stacks in order to get the job done. You just need to have a very good understanding of one that could take care of all of your potential client needs. So here's what I'd like for you to do. Pick a stack, stick with it for the next 60 to 90 days. Let your brain have a very good understanding of what exactly you're building, how it works, and pick up on those patterns that'll help you become a better developer. If and only then you realize that this stack isn't getting the job done for you, then do some research and understand, hey, are there things that I'm missing, or does this tech stack have limitations that I just need to move on from it? Once you do this, you'll be shocked at the progress that you're actually making as a developer and with shipping projects. And I'd love to hear all about it in the comments.